Oh, come on, Alex. Oh. Keep it in, keep it in. Get back, Cameron. Get back, you guys, get back. Go, Nico! Go to the net! Pick it up! Oh, wow. Come on, guys! Oh, get back! Get back! Come on, guys! Oh! Short-handed goal. Good job, Nikki! Oh, nice play! Oh, nice backhand! Brandon, that was sweet!
Should have stopped and went the other way.
Good shot, Brandon! Keep it in! Oh, one more shot! Oh! Get up! Get back! Oop. Two hands, Max! Get back! Get it out! Two hands! Come on, where's our wing? Help him out! Joe, where are you, buddy? Get up! Oh, come on! Where's the elbow?
Oh! Thank you!
Get back! Get back, Max! Pinch him off! Good job, Max! Good job, get up! Front of the net, Max! Get in front of the net! Go, beat him there! Beat him, beat him, beat him! Beat him!
Where is it?
Cover it! Get it out! All right, finally. Come on, get up. Nikki, get out there. Go. All right, good job, Ryan. Way to be heads up.
Gotta keep it up. Gotta keep it up. We still got lots of game left.
Keep it in. Get back, get back. Come on, Cameron. Take the man in front, Cam. Take him in front. Nice job. Go, go, Cole. Pass it! Pass the puck! Get back!
Have we talked to Cameron about pucks flying right over his stick? Right.
Come on, guys, let's go! Get back! Get back! Pinch him off, Cameron! Get him!
Let it go!
Two hands, guys. Two hands, Nico. Go, Nico! There we go. Yeah! Nice shot, Nico! job, you guys. Get back!
Nikki's hurt! Hey!
Hey, get off, go, go, go. You okay, Nikki? Whoa.
Nico, go play, Nikki. Come on, Nikki.
You okay, Nikki? Here we go. 2 hands, Max! Dig it out, dig it out, dig it out! 2 hands, Max! Good job, get it out, guys! Go to the net!
Ow, Riley!
Front of the net, Max! Good job, front of the net!
Cover! Come on, Riley! You gonna step up?
Nico, attack the puck!
Cover number 22!
Attack the puck! Good. Max, Max! Stay in front of the net, Max! Stay in front! Good job! Lift his stick! Nico, follow him! That's your man! It's your puck over there! Stay back, Max! Good job! To the blue line, Nico! To the blue line! Oh, nice shot! Wow, that was pretty! Nice job, Riley!
Now,
Riley, that was sweet!
can we switch now?
It's a flutterer. Good job, Nico.